How to file on Turbotax for free 1099. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you received a 1099 and want to file for free using Turbotax, then what you want to do is open up the TurboTax Free Edition. Remember that TurboTax Free Edition does not support self-employment with 1099 NEC or 1099K income. You can use TurboTax Free Edition if you have 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, and 1099G. If you have any CK or MISC 1099, then you cannot use the free version for this. Now, what you want to do is log into TurboTax and then go to Income and Expenses, then select Self-Employment. Now select Start or Add Another Business. Then you want to enter all of your business expenses from your 1099 form. TurboTax will now calculate self-employment tax and business deduction. Then you can file and pay taxes, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.